What's up? What's up? Jojo Vlog. And we are preparing. I'm preparing myself. Yeah, I'm preparing myself because yung weather sa labas is very surprising at malamig. Kaya we need to cover ourselves properly. So ngayon, speedy day. So walang estudyante. Look. So we have only like the we have only the teachers na nagpunta dito para may mga PDD sila eh. Nanonood ko ng lecture nila kaya sila nandito. Kaya nandito sila. Anyway, pa-close na ako. Hintay ko lang yung mga 5 minutes more so para makauwi na. Maglalakad tayo ngayon. So it's very quiet here. Kung papansin niyo. Follow me, follow me. Follow me. So yun na. Kailangan tayo ng 15 minutes. Sana yung dadaanan natin yung pathway na linis na yung mga may bahay. Kung hindi, mahirapan tayo. Sigulat ng kape ko para medyo warm ang katawan natin. Tapos tayo gloves. Here's our gloves. Uy, nandito ako. Uy, follow me. Uy. Nawala ka na. Boss mo. Ano nangyari? Nag-stuck up ka na. Anyway, so ito. Nandito ako. Follow me. So yun nga. Si boss mo, hindi malaman kung saan napupunta eh. Nandito ako. Ayan. Hindi mo na-detect yung face ko, Yan. Ito yung meron tayong beef sausage. Init na. Ang init na. Okay. So, another day, another dollar later, another. Ma'am, if you want some coffee, I have coffee there. Here, cafeteria. Yeah. Anyway, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Hi, buds.
Hey, Jojo, how are you doing, man?
Good, good. How are you?
Yeah, good, thanks.
Yeah, if you want some coffee, I have coffee. There's coffee there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah, for sure. Ma'am, this is coffee there. See ya. See you guys. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna need to walk. Yeah. 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 My face?
One day, only one
Oh, only because it's like no classes for some days, right? So I have time to sleep. Yeah. Stress. Anyway, Pam, see ya. Keep warm, okay? Anyway. See you. Hi, Dave.
Hey, Jojo, how was your day?
It's good. It's quiet. And your?
Good, I'm gonna finish my PD at home. I have a few things I need to do, but
Oh, okay.
try to get on the road and drive a colleague home and get home before it gets too busy on the roads.
Correct, yeah.
And then
Tomorrow.
we're all on the road forever. So
Anyway, do you have more? Do you want more coffee? There's still coffee there, right?
I'm okay. I'm
You
all
good?
coffeeed out, buddy. But
Okay.
thank you.
Anyway, see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay,
Get-
see you guys.
When you drive, get home safe.
I'm gonna walk right now. I don't have my car yet.
Walk,
Yeah.
get home safe. Don't-
Yeah. Thanks.
Don't become a statue in the field.
Yeah, for sure. Anyway, that is my co-worker. It's Dave, yung regular coffee guy natin. And pansin nyo, dahil library, yung library. Kasi tayo maglalata sa harap. Napakatahimik. Walang estudyante. Oop, we have to cover our head. Ayan. Ayan. Kapit na. Kalimutan ko lang kung ilang temperature ngayon. Pero malamig. Malamig. See? Surprise! Look. Look the weather, guys. Oh my goodness. See? See, look the weather. Ready to walk.
Do you know when you call love, when two become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms. I call home. Do you know when you call love, when two become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms. I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise. Do you know when you call love, when two become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms. I call home. Do you know when you call love, when two become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms. I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise.
Thanks guys. Yeah, see the guy. He's still like covering himself. Kung hindi mo cover yung sarili mo, tapos maglalakad ka, even though just only few minutes, lalamitin ka talaga. And then, o nga pala, malamang ang kapal ng snow sa bahay namin. Magpapala rin ako. Like this one is so good because they scrape it already their path. Tinanggal agad nila yung nag-shovel agad sila. some houses hindi talaga sila nakapag-shovel pa. I don't know what the reason is, but yeah, kagaya sa amin, yung sa amin ay I don't know if one of my roommate do shoveling today, but I don't think so because they don't have time because they just got home morning, so it's rather for him to sleep than to do that stuff. Anyway, I can do it. I can do it. See, look guys, see. Oopsie. Yeah, see, kapal niyan. So ganito yung buhay natin, ganito yung buhay namin sa Canada. Talagang pag nag-snow talagang makapal. Imagine, it's just only for 2 days. Sometimes one day more than like 5 or 6 meters yung kapal. Centimeters I mean. Hi! See ito, medyo okay, hindi ka tinamaan ng snow, but there, see here, nalamig na yung kamay ko. Yan, lamig, ang hirap maglakad. Baka ma-shoot tayo sa ano nito, Imbornal, hindi natin alam. Yun ang nakakatakot kasi diba yung mga Imbornal dito sometimes yung kagaya niyan. Oh, see, look. Yan. Yan. Sana. Yan, hindi nyo alam, di ba? Manhole pala yan. Lumusot kayo dyan. Kaya, guys, always be careful. Mahirap paglakad pag gabi. Grabe. Halfway pa lang, pagod na ako Tingnan naman yung snow. Oh. Tingnan nyo yung snow. Oh. Oh, look. Kapal. See? Oh. Kita nyo yan? Oh, diba? Imagine kung hindi mataas yung sapatos mo. Look, the weather is, kung hindi mataas yung sapatos mo, lubog. Pasukin yung sapatos mo, yung paa mo ng snow. Ay. Ay. Hihi. 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 Yeah. Sa una, masarap paglakad kapag bago ka sa Canada. Masarap paglakad sa snow. Masarap mag-snow, maglakad sa snow, masarap maglaro sa snow. Masarap lumabas. Pero just only some days, only few days only you will have that, you will enjoy it. But pag ano ka na? 1 week? Stay here in Canada 1 week? Oh my goodness. You will say, oh, why I'm here. And then there's a wind like this. Woo! It's slapping in your face. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ang mabal. Sana bukas wala na to. Anyway guys, dito muna kasi nahirapan ako maglakad. Baka madulas tayo. Mahirap na. See you later guys. I hope you like my content today. Second day of snow. Sabi ko na nga po mag-i-snow pa. Hindi pa kasi tapos yung February. Ito mga man talaga talagang may snow sa malamig. Kaya hindi pa ako nag-expect na tapos na ang winter. Anyway guys, Salamat sa patuloy nyo, and hope na patuloy kayong mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, Jojo Vlog. Please like and share and subscribe. Ingat sa bawat isa sa inyo, saan man panig kayo ng mundo nakatira. Japan, sa tita ko, shout out. Thank you for always thumbs up for my video. Comment. Thank you tita, God bless you, take care. Sa mga family ko sa Pilipinas, ingat kayo lahat. Don't forget to watch my YouTube channel and my FB account. Please always view and watch it. The more you watch it, the more hours I got. And please share. Woo! Oh look, what? Look this one guys. Saan ako Look. Saan ako dadaan yan? Dito na tayo sa gilid. See? Puno yung pathway. Diba? Supposed to be nandiyan ako sa gilid eh. Oh, diba? Anyway guys, see you guys. Have a good one to all. Happy Tuesday. Dito tayo sa gilid muna. Kasi nakapag-inis na dun eh. Sa gilid na tayo. Mas wala tayong madadaanan dun eh. So, see you guys. Bye bye guys. Salamat ulit. Konti na lang. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Anyways, dun nga pala sa na unexpected na nakuha kong video kay Bina Morales. Ang dami kong views doon. Nakakatawa. Sana next time pag nasa mall tayo, West Edmonton Mall or whatever places, makakita tayo ng mga celebrities para may sama sa vlog. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Keep safe. Don't forget to thanks God, Jesus Christ. Thank you. Bye bye.